Hi, boys and girls. This week our job is to be able to read and write short vowel words. So with any of the short vowels that we've done, so A, E, I, O, and U. So our spelling words are going to be a mix of all of these words. So what we're going to do is we're going to spell the word and then we're going to circle how many sounds were in the word. And this will help us be able to read and write these words this week and accomplish our job. So for the first word, let's do man. Tell me the sounds in man. Man. Let's write it. How many sounds did it have? 3. Very good. Okay, let's do the next word. The next word is get. Tell me the sounds. G, et. Get. Let's write the letters. G, et. Get. How many sounds? 3. Good. Let's do a short I word. Let's do the word in. Tell me the sounds. I, n. Let's write it. I, n. In. How many sounds does it have? It has 2. Very good. 2 sounds. Now let's do a short O word. How about the word mom? Tell me the sounds in mom. That's 3. Ah, So we're going to circle the 3. Last word. Let's do the word pup. Tell me the sounds in pup. Let's write it. Pup. How many sounds? 3. Very good. Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit harder one now. Let's do the word flat. Tell me the sounds. O, a, t. Okay, now let's write the letters. O, a, t. Flat. How many sounds did it have? 4. Very good. Next one, we're going to do a short E word. Let's do the word den. What sounds do you hear? D, e, n. D, e, n. And how many letters, how many sounds? 3. Good. Now a short I word. Let's do the word crib. Tell me the sounds. K, I, b. Crib. Let's write it. K, I, b. How many sounds? 4. Very good. Next one. Let's do the word top. T, a, p. T, a. Top. Top has 3. And for the last one, let's do us. 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 And it has 2 sounds. Now let's go back over our list and make sure we read our words. That's how we're going to get to be better readers, is by reading over our words. What's the first one? Man. Get. In. Mom. Pup. Read them with me. Flat. Den. Crib. Top. Us. All right, boys and girls, please make sure that your name is on your paper. Turn it into your basket and start working on Lexia.